What I want to go over today is how to cut an oval sink. So we normally use these regular talon blades here to cut our stone with, and I had been nervous of buying just a marble blade because I didn't know how they'd work, but I realized that my regular stone blades were bouncing on the marble when I tried to cut, and anybody that works with marble knows it's chippy anyway when you try to fabricate it. So I went ahead and bought this talon marble blade. I got the book over here, I looked it up. It's right here, the talon electroplated marble blades. 5-inch, $39.95 for that blade, and what I've used it on so far, it is flipping awesome. I recommend that you get different tools for your marble material that you work with. I'm gonna try to get any different things I see for marble, but you know, I've been up in the air on buying the FABS king to drop my sinks. I worked for another company around here and they bought one, and I tried to tell them I'm way faster than that machine, but they said you can't cut all the sinks, and that's the reason I'm leaning towards one. I think if I get one, it would allow Melissa or my guy David or Sammy to drop sinks, but they're still gonna have to set up the template and all that. So I just want you guys' feedback on this video. I'm gonna show you how long it takes me to do a sink, and then I want to know, those of you that have like a FABS king or some other sink dropping machine, if you know of one that would do it better in a more timely manner and things like that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use my watch, and we got a stopwatch here, so I'm gonna start it and give it to Melissa. I'm gonna turn the fans on, she's gonna film, so we might lose a minute or so here pushing the buttons. We also got my watch. It's 5:25 or 2:25 right now. So we're gonna say I start at like 2:27 after I get everything turned on. And I'm gonna cut this sinkhole, and then I'm gonna bring it over here and I'm gonna polish it out real quick. I'm thinking I can do it all in less than 20 minutes. So we'll see how it goes. Ready, babe? Here's this. Alright, I got 2:31 here. So we made pretty good time on cutting it. What, about 4 minutes or so?
It was 5:36.
5:36. Alright, so we're gonna roll it over here and cut it. Melissa, I'm gonna blow this off real quick, so I don't want to blow it on you. Now I've already got my pads and stuff laid out. It should go fairly quick. I got a nice clean cut from that blade if Melissa wants to take a look inside of here. I'd already oiled my polisher and everything, but got a pretty daggone good clean cut from the blade. It's not perfect by any means, but it's not too bad. Anybody that's worked with marble knows it's pretty soft when you go to cut or polishing it. So I'm using my Viper Elites. That's my main pads I use. So we'll go here. Stopwatch still rolling. Alright, took a little time to talk there, but here we go. 232, first pad.
Done? How do you think you did?
I think I was probably close to 22 minutes, something like that.
18 minutes and 31 seconds.
18 minutes and 31 seconds?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good. Guys, I'm going to dry it off real quick and let Melissa show you that I didn't just come over here and flop a pad around and make it look like I was polishing. I want you to actually see that I did polish it, and I did polish it to where it's an acceptable polish for the job, and anybody knows me knows it's got to be good to be acceptable. So I'm just going to squeegee the top of this off here. I'm going to squeegee the hole. Any fabricator knows, any shop owner knows, you got to dry off your stuff so you can tell anything about it. Trust me, these guys will try to say, look, I'm done, and it'll be wetter than hell. And once it dries, it looks like a dog's ass. We're gonna dry it off here. Somebody does a bad job, normally when you're drying it off, you'll start to see those white lines and stuff pop up. If they do a good job when you're drying it off, it looks like it's not even getting dry.
It's very shiny.
So that's what a good polish looks like. It still looks like it's wet, even after I dried it. And while Melissa's showing you what that dried sinkhole looks like, I'm gonna go grab the sink so you know that I actually did polish it for a sink. Alright, here's my sink, guys. It's just a white oval that was just kind of laying out in there. I'm going to pull it up here so that Melissa can kind of show you. I'm not going to permanently mount it or anything. I just want you to see that the hole is made correctly and all that. I wasn't just acting out something so you'd think I was a fast polisher. You got a good view of it, baby?
It's as good as I can get for 4 foot.
Alright. So that's what we got, guys. So if anybody's got any suggestions on, machines that can help us cut out sinkholes, I don't want to get slower by buying a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 tool. But on the other hand, I want my other shop employees to be able to cut sinkholes and polish them. So, and it takes a long time for somebody to get to be able to do it this fast. So I wanted you to see that Talon marble blade and how good it does. It did. I wanted you to see what a good job these 6-step Viper Elites. Look, these are my all-time favorite pads. They did it on the marble. They also work well on granite. I ain't found nothing that's like a god of quartz pad. A person can physically drop, fab, and polish an oval sinkhole in under 20 minutes. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I do welcome any comments, and I'll see you next time.